Many parents feel proud when their child can count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 100. But here's the surprising truth. A child can count to 100 and still not understand math. In fact, many children who start kindergarten already knowing how to count still struggle with numbers once school begins, because counting words is not the same thing as understanding quantities. And today I'm going to show you the simple difference. Memorizing versus understanding. When toddlers learn to count, they often memorize the sequence of numbers, just like they memorize the alphabet song. They can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But memorizing numbers does not mean they understand what those numbers represent. Real math begins when children connect numbers to real objects. 3 apples, 4 blocks, 5 toy cars. When numbers represent something real, the brain starts developing number sense. The cookie test. Here's a simple test you can try at home. Place 2 cookies on the table. Then place 4 cookies on the table. Ask your child, which one has more? If they instantly know that 4 cookies is more than 2, they are starting to develop number sense. If they struggle, they may still be memorizing numbers rather than understanding them, and that's very common. The counting mistake. Another mistake many parents make is letting children count too quickly. A child might say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but their finger is moving faster than the objects they're counting. This means they are saying numbers without matching each number to an object. That skill is called one-to-one counting. Each number should match exactly one object. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. This small habit makes a huge difference in how children understand math later. The simple fix. The good news is that teaching number sense doesn't require worksheets or flashcards. You can practice math throughout the day. Count socks while doing laundry. Count steps while walking upstairs. Count toys while cleaning up the living room. Each object gets its own number. That simple routine helps children build a strong mathematical foundation. Why this matters before kindergarten. Children who develop number sense early tend to feel much more confident when they start school. Math becomes something they understand instead of something they memorize. And that confidence often stays with them for years. The goal isn't to rush children into harder math. The goal is to build the right foundation first. If you want a simple step-by-step system that shows parents how to build these skills at home, I've put together a guide that walks through the routines I recommend. You can find it in the link below, and if you're a parent who wants your child to feel confident with numbers before kindergarten, subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more simple ways to teach early math.